It's Tuesday. My food recycling bin goes out today. A bit of clap magic and poof, the fridge is empty. So I clean my fridge out on a Tuesday and throw out anything that's starting to look a bit ropey. Get a bit of bonus footage today because I'm going to do my freezer as well. And that is me trying to chuck the stray ice cubes into the sink. My aim is shocking because every single one of them missed. I couldn't tell you the last time I cleaned my freezer out. I've got food in here so old it could be classed as a family heirloom. Oh look, I found an old Chinese takeaway. I wonder how long that's been in there. Oh, it'll be right for another 5 years. I'll still eat it. A quick wash and dry the drawers and back in the freezer they go. Probably be another few more years before I clean the drawers out again. Okay, so my top two drawers have got ice cream and my frozen herbs. I've got no ideas what's in the other drawers and I'll have to stay that way until next week because one, I haven't got time to clean them all out today and two, I just can't be arsed. In that bag's a bit of homegrown chilli. I don't even like chilli. Can't eat it, it upsets my tummy. But I'll still keep it in case I ever want to sprinkle some on a lambuna. Now, this bag is Scotch Bonnet. Don't ask me why I've got Scotch Bonnet. It's the food of the devil. If you've never eaten chilli, don't ever eat a Scotch Bonnet because trust me when I say it'll blow the old right out of your arse. So I called today Toss It Out Tuesday because I throw out all the old fruit and veg. But having said that, I haven't got a lot to throw out today. And if you saw my Toss It Out Tuesday video from last week, you'll see that I had 2 drawers of green veg. And that 750-gram jar of apricot jam has still not been touched. My 5-year-old won't even eat it and he'll eat anything with sugar in. Anyway, the green veg from last week has mostly been eaten apart from a cabbage and a bit of cauliflower. All done. I've got to put the recycling out now. Now that's my tripod there. Only I stood on it and broke it, so it's no longer a tripod. It's a useless duopod. It's just got a bloody leg missing. I can't use it anymore, so I've got to chuck it out. However, I'm not sure if it can be recycled or not. I think it's just rubbish. Rubbish for the general waste bin. We had guests this weekend. It got quite boozy. That's why there's loads of bottles of gin and tonic cans in the recycling. One of them stuck to my finger. Look, you got to shake it off. Shake it off. And just so you know, I don't drink alcohol, so none of that booze was mine. I much prefer to eat my calories. Anyway, on that note, I'm going now. So if you liked my video and you want to see some more, give me a like and follow. See you later, motherfuckers.